Hey, welcome to live trading with Grandpa sees the blinking, blinking everywhere. You know, Elon was saying that one of his posts that AGI is very likely going to be smarter than any human within 2 years. Well, I got news for you. It's already probably smarter than Grandpa. But we're going to talk about Tesla. Is it faster than the speed of light? That's the question. You know, well, before I say this, let's say this. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to explain the speed of light, the real speed of light, not the one that you hear about on the propaganda channel or whatever they're trying to tell you. Like they know, Grandpa's going to tell you the way it really is, what the real speed of light is. It's not all that complicated. When you've been looking at light for about 100 years, like Grandpa, you know stuff about light. And you know when you're in the dark. But the speed of light is the question. So, and we're going to talk about where Tesla's going too, by George. Uh, but let's. Oh, where was I? Oh, yeah. Like, share, subscribe. Don't take anything Grandpa says is financial advice. And I'm not an astronomer either, but I do know a lot about light, and I'm going to share it with you. So, light. This is a fact, and they even admit it. No one has ever been able to measure the speed of light going one way. Going one way. They've formed their calculations on the speed of light with reflection. They shine the light somewhere, it reflects back, and they think they are calculating it at a certain speed. But I'm telling you right now, the speed of light is instant. When you walk outside and you look up at the stars that are, according to them, are light years away because it would take years for that light to show up here, uh, that's baloney. I I uh, I believe that the speed of light is instant, and that their calculations are all wrong. Probably not intentionally, but makes them feel good if they think they know something, probably. So, and what brought this on is I'm watching this eclipse up there, and you got that diamond bright light that comes out along the side of it, flashes. And, they say, whatever, it takes 8, 9 minutes for the light from the sun to get here to Earth. And uh, I'm telling you, when I looked at that flash and the light up there, and I didn't even have sunglasses on, and I can still see it when I close my eyes. You're not supposed to look at that stuff, by the way. Don't do that. But anyway, uh, yeah, it's instant. The speed of light is instant. When you turn on your light in your house, it's instant light. The room is instantly lit. Is it possible that once it bounces off of something and zigzags around, it changes the speed of the light? I don't know, and I don't care. All I know is the speed of light. Tesla's fast. They're really fast. Them cars are fast, but they're not as fast as instant, the speed of light. And we got instant light. Don't even worry about it. When you look at the stars, you're not looking at 10 years ago what that light that that star put out 10 years ago, you're looking at it right now. When you see what they call a falling star going across the sky, making a flash way up there in outer spacey, it's instant light. Uh, it's here for a few seconds and it's gone. It wasn't made yesterday or the day before or 5 minutes ago or 10 minutes ago. It's instant. So now you know about light, and if you don't like it, too bad. I told you the truth. It's the same thing they do with, what is it? Evolution, fake news. They want to make you think you came from an ape or some caveman. It's all garbage, and so don't fall for this stuff. Just know that light is instant, and you didn't evolve from a monkey. Uh, Grandpa acts like a monkey once in a while, but other than that. Okay, so what Grandpa do today? This is the 5 minute chart. We're back to the beginning of the day. I got in the 168 and a half range, and I sold up above 173 and a half, got out, got my $5. Got back in short, and I got a 173.90 average short currently, and I will probably get out. You know, if it bounces up, I'll probably get out and just take 20 cents or 25 cents profit up there and wait for tomorrow. Because you know, what I really think they're going to do is I think that they are going to keep us up here for a little bit, and they want to get a bunch of them going along. The more the merrier, so that when they do the rug pull and pull us down to the 160 range, it really puts a pain to them. And they might run right through that 160. We got substance there, but doesn't mean that it'll stop it. And they're going to put the hurt to these retail traders. You're playing against a supercomputer, I'm telling you right now. Okay, so let's look at our candles here. So up here, you see this big green candle. You see the one next to it is engulfed into the previous one. The next one is red, and you're trying to get out as soon as possible, and that's exactly what Grandpa did in the 173.70 area. I got out of Dodge and took my gravy train, and then I got back in. So down here, you look right here, this red candle is engulfed into the previous one, and before the arrow, you would buy and you're heading up. I didn't buy there. I just waiting for an opportunity to go down is what Grandpa's doing. And could be wrong, could be right. So, you know, I just didn't want to try scalp for a buck or whatever. I was surprised that just about went back up to the high of the day. It was impressive. And so here we are, and here you have your sell signal up here, and the sell signal with the candles actually starts here. That one's engulfed into it. You got a bull flag up with a long wick, push back, red candle, time to short, and away you go, right back down another $1. Oh boy, this is fun. Fun, fun, fun. So, where are we heading? Well, we are headed, this is the 15-minute chart, by the way. And these candles all work the same in each chart. The higher the time frame, the stronger the signal. And it's the 30-minute. Uh, we do have a cell signal in the 30 minutes still. We'll see how it plays out. You see this here in after hours, up and down with these arrows? Well, that's what we're going to get right here. Up and down, until they determine which way they want to go. And, oh, maybe they're going to go down to 160.51 at the speed of light. Oh, possible. Oh, Grandpa's so funny. Did I mention to like, share, and subscribe, and don't take anything Grandpa says about astronomy or financial market stuff seriously? I'm entertaining. You gotta get that figured out. So after hours, what are they doing with the blinking? Well, they're down at the 154.80. 154.80. They're buying not much, but they're buying down there, and that gives you a red candle. And then they're shorting up at 255, and so that tells Grandpa that they're going to probably hang in this area. I'm thinking you might see 180 tomorrow. 165, 180, 160, 183. They're going to have some fun here yet. That's just the way it is. This is the 5-minute. They're trying to drive us up. They're making Grandpa want to sell his shares and another 25 cents up, and I will. But the hull is turning. We got, oh, there it went up again, all that dirty hull. So another 25, 30 cents, and Grandpa's going to get out. I had a terrific day. I don't want to complain too much. Got rid of some of Grandma's. She's happy. Yeah, buy down in the low 160s. Sell on the bounce. That's what Grandpa thinks. We're going to move sideways for a week. We might move sideways for a month in this area before she determines where she's going here. Okay, all good things are from the Lord, and think about eternity and the speed of light. Murphy's just all excited over this eclipse thing. You know, it was a complete blackout. I couldn't even see where Murphy was, but I could hear him barking. See you later.